everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Pusheen unboxing. This is a subscription service that comes every single season. This is the spring box for 2021. We're just going to dive right into it. Take a look at the box. It's very cute. It's a relaxed themed box. It features a very light like watercolor green box. Really cute. This box for some reason took longer than any other box to arrive. I usually don't even pay attention to the tracking, but for some reason this time I did, and it was way over 10 days. The first item is this hat right here. It says breathe, which is like the theme of the box. It's like calming, breathing, relaxation, and yeah, it's a hat. It's very cute. I like the detailing. I like the color. It matches the box and all the other goodies. I do like when they bring apparel items. I just feel like it gives more value to the box. With this season's box, I definitely feel like you get a good bang for your buck. So this is the vinyl figure. Every box comes with an exclusive vinyl figure. This one's really cute. It looks, I love the facial expression that Pusheen has. So it's umbrella Pusheen vinyl. So he has a little umbrella and it's that beautiful green color we talked about. I put this on top of my mom's table runner because it kind of looks like grass and it just went so well together. I think this is an adorable figure. I feel like all of their vinyls are so cute. Like they really kind of go out of the box with them in terms of like their posture. I'm having a hard time speaking today, you guys. I don't know what's going on. The next item I was kind of like meh about. This is a tissue cover. So it features Pusheen with a crescent moon and it says relax. So it's a tissue box cover, but it's definitely made for like the small tissue boxes. I usually use like the rectangle ones, but it's definitely a cute decor item. So it's something that you can reuse again and again. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. It's okay. Next thing we have is a metal candle holder. So it features a green Pusheen right there. It's a beautiful color, and I do think this is perfect for the theme of the box because lighting up a candle is very relaxing in my opinion. So it's cute and it's also functional. I'm definitely going to try to find a candle to put on this. I don't really have any candles recently. I used to buy candles all the time from Bath & Body Works back when they were 2 for $20. Do you remember that? Because their prices continue to increase over the past 10 years. So I don't really use candles anymore, but I will definitely find a purpose for this. Moving on to another item. This is the floor mat. So it's not super big, but I do like the thought that went into this. I think it's nice that they are giving us more functional items. So here's what it looks like. It says taking it easy. I'm not sure if it's just mine, but it looks very faded. That might be intentional. Like that might just be like that watercolor effect that they're going for, but I wish it was a little bit more saturated. But overall, it's a cute item. It's a nice size and I'm very happy. The thing we have is a compact mirror, so I'm gonna try not to blind you with this. I was struggling so much when I first opened this because I was taking some promotional pictures before filming this video. This is not sponsored, by the way. I pay for this every month myself, or I have a yearly subscription, but I couldn't figure out how to open it. It just slides. So it has 2 different mirrors and it just slides. It's too bulky in my opinion to have it in my pocket or in my bag. I could definitely see this as being good to have on my desk where I could just reach for it if I need to look in the mirror. I feel like most people use their phones. I don't like using my phones because I feel like the front facing camera is not forgiving and it's just very jarring to turn it on even if I'm trying to look at myself. So a mirror is cool. I like the style of it. It's just I didn't expect it to swivel like that, but it's cute, it's adorable, and that's the type of green that I wish was on the actual mat itself. The next product we have is an umbrella. So I don't personally use umbrellas just because I get blown away by the wind. It's just too strong for me, so I just prefer to have a hoodie on. Really love this umbrella, and I know it's bad luck to kind of open it indoors, but I did it in the hallway of our house because I wanted you to see the decorations. It's super cute. It's a clear umbrella with Pusheen around the trim, and it's adorable. I am probably gonna try to use it outside just so I can get some pictures, you know, Instagram. But again, it's a functional item, which I think kind of increases the value of the box because these are little things that you can actually use in your daily life as opposed to just having like a one-time use or just having something sit on your shelf all the time, which I do like as well. I like decorative items from this box too. Last but not least, this is my favorite. This is a raincoat. I love when they do apparel. It's my favorite type of item. This is something you can use over and over again. So this is a beautiful kind of watercolor raincoat. It features Pusheen in a bunch of different colors, and this is an extra small to a medium. So with Pusheen box, like the sizes kind of vary. It's kind of like a one size fits most, so you're either small, medium, large. Same thing with your shoe size, so this kind of fits a range of people. So I have a feeling it's going to be a little oversized, which is perfect for a raincoat. So let's take a look at what it looks like. It's definitely long. It reaches way past my knees and it's very big. It's not fitted at all, but it's super cute. You get little buttons to kind of clasp it closed, and you have little drawstrings here. So yeah, it's really cute. It's a nice item. And overall, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this box. I have been, like I mentioned before, contemplating canceling the subscription service, but every time I think that, the next box comes out amazing. So yeah, these are cute. I definitely recommend it. Let me know if you have the Pusheen Box subscription for yourself. These also make a great gift, you know. Sometimes people like things, but they don't want to buy it for themselves, you know. So when you buy it for them, it's just more handy. It's more practical. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you very, very soon with another video. Bye.